YouTube friends, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not all pretty today, but you know what, I got work to do. Okay, so I'm back. I'm in my living room because the chair that I need to clean is not a project piece. It's in my living room. My cat got sick. It wasn't a hairball. He just threw up right there on that chair, and I've got company coming, so it's got to get clean and dry. So we're going to use the Dawn and peroxide method. So I've got a spray bottle, which dollar store peroxide, regular old blue Dawn, not the ultra, just blue Dawn. $3 total is going to save this chair. I love this chair. I got this junk in. I'm going to tell you a story. This method saved another chair. So I'll put a picture right here of this chair. So this green chair that I picked up was badly stained when I got it. And the woman didn't feel right selling it to me. So she said, because you're not going to get these stains out, she gave it to me for free. I sold it for $80. So I made an $80 profit off a $3 stain remover. So it's totally worth it. So far, I've not encountered anything this can't tackle. I don't know. This is very gross. Might be kind of like a water stain look on it, but I'm gonna do what I can. We're gonna see what we can do. But let me show you the recipe. I'll put the recipe down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, click the link and get subscribed for future DIY tutorials and junkin videos. I've got more junkin videos coming up. I'm so excited about this year, y'all. If you haven't seen the goals video yet, it should be right there. My goal this year is 2 videos a week. So we're talking 104 videos. 52 of those will be junking. 52 will be DIY tutorials. I'd love to know what you guys would like to see DIY tutorials on because I'm stressing. I am stressing. We're going to take the hydrogen peroxide. It's brand new. I got to open it. Ugh. This is a lot of peroxide for $1, but you're going to use a cup of it. So I've got my cup, measuring cup. Yeah, measuring cup of that. And then you're going to need the tablespoon. So that's the big one. Tablespoon of Blue Dawn. Now I'm going to put that right in the measuring cup. And then I am going to get that right into the spray bottle before I even mix it here. Because I didn't have a funnel. Should have picked up a funnel for $1. I got a funnel somewhere. Like Tupperware gives out those funnels all the time at every craft sale and stuff you go to. I think I have about 50 funnels and can't find one of them. I know I've got them somewhere. And then when I come across them, I'm like, oh, there's the funnels. Do I put them somewhere I'll remember them? No. That would make too much sense. You guys are going to be like, this woman's insane. Why am I following you? I don't know. But I remember that I forget my social security number. There's only so many things I can keep in here. It's not a computer. Shake it up. Get it all foamy for you. Look how pretty it is. This is not very much because that stain is not huge, but you could make a huge bottle of this and just keep it on hand. The blue goes away. Like, if I don't use all this, tomorrow this will be clear, but it'll still work. Just so you know. Like, I don't know, the peroxide takes all the blue out or something. I don't know. I learned that last time I made a big bottle. But it still works. So, keep it on hand. It is fantastic stuff. So, I'm going to just go after this stain. And I'm going to flip you guys around and get you a little close-up of this stain. Not that you want to see it, because it's really nasty. I did clean off the vomit, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So, the cat threw up on it. I got to get it clean because I love this chair and I'm not giving it up. So, let me flip you guys. Okay, so you can see it's kind of nasty. This is the cat's favorite chair, too. There's a lot of cat hair on here. I just got to vacuum the crap out of that. Sorry. I probably should have done that before I clean it. But anywho, it'll come off when I spray this. You can see the stains nasty. He's sitting over here supervising, by the way, because this is his favorite chair. But I've just got the spray. Turn it on. I'm going to just spray the spot, get it good and saturated. I'm probably going to do a little further out because I don't want a water stain. This thing could probably use cleaning anyway. Let's just clean the whole thing. And I'm going to just let it soak in. I don't know what the magic is here. I mean, obviously Dawn is a grease remover. That's why they use it on animals and all that good stuff during oil spills. But peroxide, of course, has really great properties as well. I don't know. I don't know why it works. It just does. And I'm going to let that soak for a minute. And then I'm going to go get a rag. I'm going to get it wet. I'm going to scrub this area. So hold on. Just let that sit for a minute. All right. It sat for a few minutes and I've got a... You know what? To be honest with you, I think this is the second time this chair has gotten this treatment. I think when I bought it, it had stains on it too. And I did this and it came out. But I just have a flour sack dish towel. Then I got wet. It's just damp. And then I'm just going to rub it in. It smells wonderful, guys. This stuff, look at the cat hair. Ick. The Dawn just smells so good. It's better than like the chemical cleaners that you get at the grocery store for upholstery. I don't like the smell of them. Look at the cat hair come off there. I gotta have to vacuum this thing more. Sorry, guys. I know I'm a horrible housekeeper. I am busy. I have children and cats and actually my house is really clean right now. Just I did not vacuum this chair because I knew I was gonna have to scrub it. I should have vacuumed it before I did the video. Judge me in the comments below. I'm okay with it. Oh, you can see it's already gone. I mean, I can already see that the yellow spot is gone from this area here. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean the whole chair. Yep. I'll get some more clean water on that and get a... It's like magic. I don't know what to tell you. It doesn't bleach the fabric, the upholstery fabric. I gotta get more clean water on here and get the soapy off, but it smells really good. Like magic, the stain is gone. So far, I've not met a stain this didn't tackle on upholstery. It works on carpet as well. I've been told it works on clothes. I use a different stain remover on clothes, which I shouldn't tell you this. The OG gave me this tip. He gave me a stain remover product that you actually get at the O'Reilly auto parts store. It's a degreaser that they sell. It is the most amazing stuff for your clothes and like yellowing stains on your clothes. My husband wears his clothes to death, and in the summer he sweats really bad, and that gets the stains out like crazy. Everybody sweats really bad in the summer, but he's working in the sun and he loves it. So let me go get some more warm water, get this rinsed off, and well, yeah, it's already pretty. Rescued another upholstery job. And that's all there is to it, really. Let me show you before and after. Pretty amazing stuff. Honestly, it works on red wine. Not that I've ever been drinking and spilling. Got it off my carpet before anybody saw it. Yeah, I get a little crazy sometimes when I'm having red wine. I'm not a big drinker, but yeah, I knock stuff over a lot. If I didn't wear it, I didn't eat it. It's my husband's theme. He's pretty sure he spilled everything. So I go through a lot of this stuff. It is incredible. It works on red wine. If there's a stain that you're thinking, that's never going to come out, it's going to come out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Happy junkin'. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.